London in the middle of the 17th century was an overcrowded city. The streets were narrow and dirty. The summer of 1666 was very hot. The wood-built houses were bone dry. On the 2nd of September, the Great Fire took place. It is believed that the king's baker, Thomas Fariner, did not put out the fire in one of the ovens, and the spark from the fire's embers ignited some straw on the floor. The flames engulfed the house of the baker in Pudding Lane. It was impossible to extinguish the fire. It is astonishing, but the mayor of London didn't give the order to demolish neighboring houses. He paid dearly for his decision. Soon all city was on fire, because the wind was blowing and the fire spread quickly. It raged for 4 days until the winds died out. The fire destroyed over 13,000 houses, 87 churches, and 4 bridges. A column called the Monument near London Bridge still commemorates the Great Fire of London. Christopher Wren, the famous architect of that day, took part in rebuilding the city. Wider streets and brick houses were built. Wren built the present St. Paul's Cathedral. He lays buried under the roof of his own great work. These words are written on his tomb. If you want to see his monument, look around.